And then this is the setup for the reception. For this wedding. So, typical yung color theme on the chair, and then they just have this very simple centerpiece of roses and this other flower that's similar to the color theme, and they have this lighted boxes, so umiilaw siya at night. And then they have those Japanese lanterns all around. Yan. Yung mga white na yan. And then the stage. Meron silang live band. That's it. Very simple. Very simple.